Welcome to the course overview of the 10 Principles of Data Management by INE. Your instructor for this course is Jim Koob. I'm a senior solution, data, and enterprise architect with over 30 years of experience. I've engineered numerous data warehouses over the years. I'm currently working on several data lake projects, and this course will provide practical designs for your data-driven projects based on my collective experience. There are only a few prerequisites for this course. You should have a good understanding of SQL. You should have access to a relational database management system if you wish to follow along with the examples. And you should have an understanding of the first 3 normal forms of data modeling. First normal, second normal, third normal forms. At a high level, this course is going to cover understanding what data management is all about, the benefits of good data management practice, and we're not going to spend a lot of time on those two because we want to spend most of the time on the meat, which is the 10 principles of data management. There are many principles in any practice. Data management's no different. Every thought leader has their own principles that they've found to be applicable to their work and that have created success for them over time. Some consider good data governance to be an important principle, and so do I. Principles like data governance, security, and life cycle management, however, are higher level principles than we'll be covering in this course. In this course, we're going to focus on design principles that enable the higher level principles. And these are my 10 principles as opposed to anyone else's. During the course, we're going to discuss how the various design principles enable the higher order principles. There will be examples to walk you through the design principles and to provide a deeper level of insight. All of the examples in this course are based on traditional data warehouse practice and star schemas. The reason for this is that these have been the cornerstone of data management for decades now, and they will be for some time to come. As such, they're the most widely applicable. And many of the principles also translate into the newer concepts of data lakes, but this course will not address data lakes. There are many important topics that are not going to be discussed in this course, mostly because each one of them would take an entire course to treat properly. Many of these topics will appear in this course, but only to point out how the 10 principles enable them, and not a full discussion of these topics. So here they are, the 10 principles that we'll cover in this course. Some of these principles can be controversial, like building to capabilities instead of use cases, or collecting all of the data, not just what's needed for the immediate task. I've found over the years that not adopting these principles creates difficulties and expenses which far outweigh not adopting them. The pros and cons will also be covered so you can form your own opinion and use what fits best to your organization and your project. So let's explore Principle 3 just a little bit further. This course will show you how to develop what I call the no-fail rule. This is a reject and reprocessing pathway that ensures that data will always be complete and the data issues are visible to the users, but not a hindrance to them using the data in downstream applications and reports. Applying all 10 principles will future-proof your data management environment by making it extensible and flexible while reducing maintenance costs and increasing user confidence, and as a result, usership. So thanks for watching this brief introduction to the INE course on the 10 Principles of Data Management. I hope you found the topics of interest for you and for your company, and I look forward to presenting the entire course to you.